Never before has WMU Industrial Technology had sixth graders working in the shop, but this year is different. This year we have sixth grade, and one of the things we did for sixth grade is make our Pinewood Derby cars. The students made their own car out of a kit, and we raced them today, and it all depended on the shape of the car, and so the students raced them, and we had a clear winner. We didn't have a ramp built, so we had to make our own ramp with different lanes so that the cars wouldn't crash into each other. And then we had to make a starting block, so we did that, and we raced them, and we had 3 different heats that we ran, 4 cars in each heat, and out of those 12 cars, we narrowed it down to the top 2 from each one, went into the next race. So then we had 6 racers. We ran 2 heats of that, 3 cars each, and then we took the top 2 from those races to run the final race to see who was the champion of all. And we had a clear winner. Well done. Thanks so much for watching, friends.